In this video, we are going to go over the layer manager and what it can allow you to do. So up at the top here, you have the layer manager tab. I'm sure not many of you are too familiar with this, but this here allows you to add in tons of other layers that aren't available to you here on the left underneath the layers tab. So if you click on the layer manager here, you have a couple of different options within this. You can, number one, kind of scroll through and add any of these layers that you see that might be useful to you. So for example, maybe number 14 here, this big boxes. If you just simply hit add layer, it'll add it onto the map for you. And then if you don't want it, you can hit remove layer. Now if I hit add layer here and then go over to our map, and then we can see here that it says big boxes. If I click this layer on and start to kind of scroll in a bit here, we can now see we have all big box stores highlighted with a little triangle on the map here. So this is really useful for presentations, kind of if you wanted to show all the Walmarts that are nearby, or if there's a Lowe's or a Target nearby, you can show that as well. Now if we go back to the layer manager here, some of these layers you might see, they already say remove layer, just because we add a lot of these in for you if we thought they were useful. So things such as the wastewater and drinking water source, the environmental resource permits, these are all layers that we have already added in for you for MapWise. Now, with that being said, you can also upload your own layers into here as well. So if you have a KML file, you can come in here and hit add new map layer, and then you can upload either SHPs or KML files simply by clicking on this, hitting next, and then giving it a title here, selecting the file type, which is either a shapefile or a KML, and then uploading that file there. Now when you do upload this, it's going to ask you if you want to make this public or private. So I would just make sure, if you don't want everybody else seeing the layers that you're uploading, please just make sure you hit private on that. Now also, I will say this as well, as far as these layers go, if you have any other layers that you had previously from another software or from another company that you wanted to add in, and you're unable to add them here under this map layer upload, you can also send them to us and we would be more than happy to upload those layers for you. So kind of just wanted to go through here and show you some of the different layers that are available to you. Things like eagle nests, you have box stores, like I said previously, elevations you have available, you have different hospitals that will populate for you. There's tons and tons, such as power lines, police stations, pharmacies, different satellite views available, subdivisions within certain counties specifically. So take a look through here, see if anything is useful for you and if you can add it in. Hopefully you found this video useful. Hopefully you learned something new today. If you did, please make sure to send us a like. Also, be sure to subscribe as we constantly post new content. Thank you so much for watching.